Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the market here, and I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and hopefully you come away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here on the market itself. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit us on the homepage of the website, www.thetradinganalyst.com, and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and the free analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up, you're going to be able to take part in the professional chat room, the daily watch lists, the real-time profitable trade alerts, which are not only given in the live chat room, but also for those of you that have full-time jobs or part-time jobs, you're still going to get those profitable trade alerts via text message and email. You're also going to get the exclusive daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you. All right, so let's get into this S&P 500 chart. We're also going to look at a couple of other indexes here as well. So I want to kind of take a broad picture view of the S&P 500. Okay, so we have the S&P 500 had an uptrend line. There's a touch, and then you can see several touches along that uptrend line. We broke this uptrend line right here. Okay, and I also want to say that this does not mean that the S&P 500 can break out to new all-time highs. That does not mean that that is not possible. Okay, but it is a sign of weakness. We also have the S&P 500 below all of this key resistance. You can see all this sideways trading right here. And you can see that that is now going to be resistance. A lot of sideways trading creates a lot of resistance once you're below it. And it works the same way on the opposite. If you have a lot of sideways trading and you're above it, it creates a lot of support. So we're below all of this sideways trading right here. So that is still a lot of resistance. Another thing that I want to point out here is that we have a evening star pattern formation on the candlesticks. We have a green candle, a gap up, and then a gap down right here. You can see the gap right here, and you can see the gap right here. That is an evening star pattern, candlestick pattern, which is typically known for reversals. Again, these are not 100% accurate every single time, but they are the majority of the time known for reversals. So we have that. We have a lot of resistance above us. We have this trend line break. So a lot of things to work against the bulls' favors here at this current moment. But if we do break over these all-time highs, that's going to be very bullish. 2190 is going to be that level here. 219 if you're looking at the SPY. And if we break over that, that is going to be very bullish, obviously. But we're still going to be below that trend line too. So we could have a little breakout and then a rejection at the trend line and then a drop. So no predictions here. Obviously the trend here for the last few days has been up. But again, this is just a few days. Whereas the last few months, there's been a lot of sideways trading and or declining prices. So the overall trend here on the market, when you're looking at more than just the banks that are very bullish and a couple other types of stocks that are doing really well in the moment, overall the market here has been looking a little bit in trouble. So resistance, a lot of resistance above us. And another thing that I want to point out here is I'm going to move along to the Dow Jones 30 here. And as you can see, it's breaking out to all-time highs. Now, you look here and the Dow Jones didn't drop as much, and then very bullish breakout here, unlike the S&P 500. Now, I have a potential explanation for this, and that is the Dow Jones has only 30 stocks in it, whereas the S&P's has 500 stocks in it. So I believe that the index that we should be really following here in the market is that S&P 500, because it's made up of 500 of the biggest names in the market as opposed to just 30 here. So obviously, if you're looking to get long something, definitely would be looking in the Dow as well as IWM, the Russell here, as it's breaking out over this previous resistance right here. So we've got a gap up, another gap up right here on Friday, and that is looking extremely bullish. We've got a lot of volume as well, and then we're coming up to this previous high up here right around 130, okay? And you can see there's a very similar pattern here on the IWM right here. Okay, you can see the IWM, very similar pattern. So see right here, I have that line right there, and you can see this line right there. And then if I extend this, I'll have to zoom in a little bit, get that out of the way. So if I extend this, that's going to meet up right here against that resistance right there, which is exactly the look of that. Okay, and we broke out to new highs right there, and then you can see we just declined from there. So you can see that we peaked at a high. So this was a very bullish look right here back in June of 2015, or is this July? That is June 2015. We broke out here to new highs, and same thing that we're doing right here. Very similar look. Very, very similar look right here. So just something to kind of be aware of. I'm not making any predictions. I'm just kind of showing you some things that I'm seeing in the market that I think that you should be aware of, because that's how we can, kind of predict what might happen in the future, is by looking at what's happened in the past. So a very similar pattern here. Not sure if it's going to be the exact same results, but we'll see. So we'll keep updating the video and these charts as price progresses into these levels, and we'll have some updates for you. Thanks for watching the video. Again, if you're not already a member, visit us on the home page, get to know us a little bit better. If you like these free videos that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. And the best part is, once you sign up, you're going to get immediate access to those profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity. We'd love to help you.